Right, welcome back to the channel. Still moving forward with the Z650 restoration build. This week, or this episode, I want to get onto the exhaust. As you can see, they're in quite a sorry state. All the downpipes have actually been painted. I want to strip these back and see what the actual chrome is like underneath. Hopefully it's okay. I've cleaned, as I say, these were done a while ago. I've just freshened them up and just run them back under the scouring wheel just before I started shooting. The actual exhaust flanges, I still need to give the actual collets a bit of a clean. And if you bear with me on a second, I'll grab the other part of the exhaust. Right, that is the other end of it. It's a Harris. Still got the original badge on. It's in a right state. It's grubby. It needs a good clean up. Ideally, I'd love to put an original exhaust on, but I just can't find one at the moment, or anything near for the right sort of money. So I'm going to continue looking. That might come at a later point, but for now I want to refurb what I've got, and I'll have to use that. But I'll at least, I'd like to get the downpipes cleaned up. And that shouldn't take too much to get that polished. But there's going to be slight difference, as this is quite drawn out, tedious, and so I'm going to need to obviously put paint stripper on first, run these through the wire wheel. I'm going to be cracking on with this. You're going to be doing something different. As I've gone through this build, I've taken as many photos as possible. Obviously it's helped me for reference, etc. So what I've actually done is, while I'm actually cracking on with this exhaust, I've actually put together a sort of a montage collection of all the different pictures that I've taken, put some backing music behind it, and hopefully by the end of that I should have, well, as many of these pipes actually stripped and starting to clean. So I'll crack on with the dirty job. You sit back and enjoy the montage. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that. I thought I'd give you that rather than actually watch me clean up and, well, bring back as best I can the exhaust system. It's actually as best as I can get it. I'm going to do a little bit more on the downpipes, but the end can, for its age, has come up pretty good. So I'll actually show you that now. So considering what I started with, they're not brilliant as I say, underneath is quite pitted. There's a little bit more to do on that one, see if I can polish it out a bit more. The bracket is, well, it's rusted. But as I say, the actual can hasn't come out too bad. Again, the connector rusted in places. But overall pleased with how it's come out, considering what it looked like as you saw at the start of the video. A cup of tea after all that, that took some time to actually get done. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments box below. Obviously for now, this is the exhaust that actually came with it. I would love to put an original back on it. The ones I've seen, they're either really expensive, which you'd expect because obviously the age of the bike, or they're in a really sorry state. If anybody has cheapish original exhaust that I can possibly save, maybe you have re-chromed, let me know in the comments box below, or personally email me, or jump across to my Facebook, which is also in the comments box, in the description below, and send me a message that way if you prefer. But say, obviously I haven't got stacks of money. If it needs some work, possibility depending on price, but let me know. But glad that's done. Next episode, I'm going to get the bike back on the ABBA stand, probably get these pipes actually in position. The other thing I want to do is, I've had another delivery, so we'll go through that, see what's arrived. I do know there are some spark plugs in there. I did have a comment, I believe it was from Paul. Please put some spark plugs in before you drop something down the holes. Yeah, spark plugs have arrived. I'm just going to pop them in because I don't want anything going inside the engine. But that's the next episode. So as usual, thanks for joining me, and join me again next time. Cheers. Bye.